Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. Transform simple Roma tomatoes into a gourmet treat with this easy oven-dried tomato recipe. Slowly dried for 8 hours, then preserved with golden roasted garlic, fresh basil, and rich extra virgin olive oil. These tomatoes are perfect for antipasto, bruschetta, pasta, or as a savory appetizer. Bursting with Mediterranean flavor, this recipe is the perfect way to preserve summer's harvest and enjoy it all year long. Instructions. 1. Prepare tomatoes. Wash and dry the Roma tomatoes thoroughly with a cloth or paper towel. Slice them in half lengthwise. 2. Season and dry. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Place the tomatoes cut side up and sprinkle each with sea salt. Preheat oven to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius, and bake in the middle rack for 8 hours. Tomatoes should be dry and soft, not crunchy. 3. Flavor base. While tomatoes cool, gently roast the garlic cloves in 3 tablespoons olive oil until golden. Remove from heat. 4. Combine. In a bowl, mix the oven-dried tomatoes with roasted garlic and chiffonaded basil. Toss gently. 5. Preserve. Transfer the mixture into a clean 400-gram jar. Pour in enough extra virgin olive oil to fully cover the tomatoes. 6. Rest and enjoy. Seal the jar and let it rest for 7 days into a colder place. Serve on bread, in antipasto platters, or as a rich addition to pastas and salads. Tip: always keep tomatoes submerged in oil for freshness.